Pero pinicturean ko dito.
No? Palakasan ko yung mic, please. Thank you. May ganun. Hello?
Umiikot-ikot naman.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan? Hep, hep? Ore? Saan ka punta? Maraming salamat po. Many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle and this public display, we transgenders bend history, and that will forever be our story. Maya pabengi po kayong honor, should I say, a pleasant evening to each and everyone, to the honorable panel of judges. Ma'am, sir, and to everyone who is watching, magandang gabi po. Standing before you is a fresh and innocent, I am a 24-year-old stunner and I hail all the way from Paniquit, Tarlac. I am a graduate with a bachelor's degree in secondary education and a licensed teacher. This is Miss Yengta Victoria in real life. But tonight's affair, please do allow me as I stand by the name. Bakit di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan at suportahan ang nag-iisang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Daniel Padilla. Ang sumira sa tinatawag ninyong love team na Katniel. Ang panibagong ahas sa telebisyon. Bakit di natin palakpakan at hiyawan Miss Andrea Brillantes. And Miss Andrea Brillantes, nagyan po sa inyo isang kataga o isang paalala na kuya, imbis na mang babae ka, mang bakla ka na lang. Pag nang babae ka, gagastos ka. Magdi-date kayo, gagastos ka. Pag kayo ay nagkaanak, gagastos ka. Pag magpapakasal kayo, tsak, gagastos ka na naman. Eh kung nang bakla ka na lang, pipikit mo lang yung mata, titirik ang yung mga mata, tutuwid pati mga paa. Pagmulat mo, may 2.5 ka na, may NMAX ka pa. Biro lamang po. An honorable panel tonight, I am very proud to say that my costume is inspired by one of the festivities of the Philippines, the Walis Tapu Festival of Nueva Ecija. So enjoy the show. Watch out for candidate number 1, for I will be back and give you the best show. Thank you and good evening.
feeling is extra, is being ordinary. Then we transcended as being extraordinary. Masantos, Yalabi at Sikatayin Amin, Shax, Ariel Lina Smith, 27, from the finest orchestra of the North, where you can find the music begins and ends, Municipality of Basista.
Kalau dari tahun.
Tonight is once again a beautiful celebration of diversity and inclusivity. We, the members of the LGBTQA+ community, is here to showcase our beauty, body, talent, and brain. We are also sincerely thanking Municipality of Mangatarang, including its pageant organizer, the staff, the people, and the community for giving us again this opportunity. Libo-libong taon na ang nagdaan, ngunit naririto pa rin po kami sa inyong harapan na kahit ano pa man po ang pagsubok o problema ang aming pagdadaanan kahit kailanman, hindi nyo kami makikitang susuko at kami patuloy na lalaban. Masantos ya labi tingay namin, saray atatingin sa nagagi, masantos ya labi, at sararay karespeto, magaganggana, at sango-guwapon, miyembro, yamorado. I am Kia Carillo, 18 years of age, hailing all the way last from Bangus capital of the Philippines, from the Bangus capital of the world, Dagupan City. Maraming salamat po. And my creative costume for tonight is a symbolism and a representation of the pride of our hometown, presenting to you our wonderful heritages, vibrant culture, and beautiful past of my town, and most importantly, our tastiest milkfish, the Bangus Festival. Competing here tonight with the caliber candidates and my idols is already a win for me. So whether I win or lose tonight, I will fully accept it. However, for as long as you do your best and you continue to believe that within God, nothing is impossible. You may notice that I may be the youngest candidate, but I believe that to become a beauty queen knows no age. At bago ko po lisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, meron pong iiwang kataga na lagi ninyong pakatatandaan at huwag kalilimutan na sa bawat ganitong patimpala ay may magandang batang kontesera ng Pangasinan ang tatatak. Thank you, good evening, God bless us all.